For new recipe every Wednesday, please subscribe my channel. It's free and press bell icon so you get notification when I upload new videos. Namaste ji, welcome to Itnaa Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsa Nilaj, your daughter-in-law from Albania. How are you friends? Kaise ho aap? So today's recipe is very special. We are going to cook roti and fancy roti, or how we call it in French, chapati. So let's check ingredients. So for making roti, first we need flour. I'm using 2 cups. We need salt, namak, and we need a little warm water. Not too hot, not too cold. We need the roller. It's a wooden one. And we need a wooden plate. Basically this one I got it from Chhattisgarh. It was an exhibition. It is a very heavy wooden plate. I do like this way. In the market you will get different kind of wooden, but I do prefer this one. We need a roti pan. This is very nice. It should be a little thick. This information is for Albanian friends because they may not get a roti pan in the market. So try to get something which is very thick, so then you can make a roti. We need also chinta. So let's start making roti. We have to add a little salt. Actually this is optional, but I do prefer adding a little. So add little salt, and the water is already warm, and start mixing. Keep mixing like this and add again a little water. Keep mixing for 1 minute. Don't mix too much. Now, after it is done, I do prefer adding a little oil. 1 or 2 spoons, and just mix it together like this, not too much. You know, when we add oil, after cooking, roti becomes softer. See, it is ready. We are going to cover it for 10 minutes. We are back after 10 minutes and we have to check. It's softer, so we have to make a round ball. This much size. Like this, make a ball with hands. Okay? Once it is round, we need dry atta because we are going to roll this. Just use like this, aise. Okay? And now we are going to make a round shape like this, slowly. Turn other side. And this way. For me it was very difficult to make roti at first because I could not make a proper round shape. You know, it used to be like here, there. See? Just keep rotating. Turn other side. Like this. Yes. Make a beautiful round shaped roti. Okay. Now I'm going to start. Yes, we have to heat pan. Don't get too high the flame. When it heats just a little bit, it should not heat too much. When it heats a little bit, then we can place it. Actually, my mom-in-law taught me how to make roti because for me it was so difficult. As I mentioned before, they used to make like different kind of shape. I did fail so many times. Even my mom-in-law told me that if someone comes at home and you cannot make a shaped roti, you can take a bowl and you can create those shapes. So you have to show that you can make. But finally, I learned, and see, I can make it now. Ye ready hai, garam garam. So now we can place. Just keep it medium because it needs little time or to cook. If you keep it so high flame, then the roti is not cooked proper and then it's not tasty as well. And it's not healthy. Just keep moving little bit. Now here we can see a little small bubbles coming. It means that it is cooking proper and it is time to turn the other side. See how it is? We have turned other side. Again, I'm moving. Now it's time to use chinta, and we have to cook in flame. Increase the gas and turn both the sides. And here we made a fluffy roti. Beautiful. See? So nice. It is smelling also. So great. Done. Fluffy roti. It is ready. And if you make a beautiful roti like this, your mother-in-law is going to love you so much. Not even a fluffy roti, but now we are going to make fancy roti. So what do we need for the fancy roti? Again, we need atta. And now the best thing is we don't need to make a round shape roti. We just need to roll it. Jaldi, 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 aise karo. You know, I got so many comments that Madam, आपका हिंदी बहुत अच्छा है. So you know, I'm going to speak more in Hindi. I'm going to speak more in Hindi. So ऐसे करो, ऐसे, round, round, round. Now we are going to make it bigger size. Beautiful. This is ready. It is a big shape. So now to make fancy roti, what do we need? You know, we do have those shapes which we get from the market. They are available anywhere. They are on the shop. We can get it online, anywhere. There are different kind of shapes. Those are beautiful for party, for theme party, mostly for children or for birthday. So now with those, I am going to cut in small pieces and make chota fancy roti. Okay, so we'll keep cutting. So see, we have cut small shape and we have made chota roti. So now I am going to take those remaining pieces. So don't waste food. We can make another roti if we need, but we are going to make later. So keep it back. And this atta is just information. We can keep in fridge for one more day, so we can use it later. Now again, start. Heat the pan. And I'm going to add again here small roti. See, we do have a small shape, heart shape, different kind of shapes. Here we have that shape. It's very pretty and it's very nice for children. Children are going to love it. Just keep in a slow gas. how nice it is looking. Even the chota roti is become fluffy. It's very easy, very tasty, बहुत अच्छा. How nice. Last one. Chapati and chota chapati. As I mentioned before, do cook for parties. बहुत अच्छा tasty. Children are going to love. Fancy roti, chota roti, it is ready. It is looking so beautiful. See, even when it's served, it's looking so pretty with those small, beautiful shapes. We can eat roti with anything, with whatever we want, with chutney, with Nutella, with anything. I'm going to taste with peanut butter. This is very nice. Even in tiffin, you can make a roti like this and you can give it to children when they go to school. So let's try. So friends, fancy roti, today's recipe is done. Thank you so much for watching Itnaa Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsa Nilaj, and thank you so much for subscribing the channel. And please do cook the recipe, comment and share with your friends. So we are going to meet next week. Till then, Namaste, Dhanyawad.